Hello guys, welcome back to lesson. Welcome back to my channel. This is lesson 73 of the JavaScript algorithms and data structures course on freecodecamp.org. And the title of this lesson is logical order in if-else statements. Okay, so order is important in if statements. The function is executed from top to bottom, so you will want to be careful of what statement comes first. Okay, so let's take a look at these two examples. One is right and one is wrong. All right, so we say the first one says if x is less than 1, return less than 1, else if x is less than 2, return less than 2, else return greater than or equal to 2. The second one says if x is less than 2, return less than 2, else if x is less than 1, return less than 1, else return greater than or equal to 2. Okay, so what is wrong? The first function, which is foo full, passing in an argument of 0, is going to return less than 1. And the second function, called bar, passing the same value or the same argument of 0, it's going to return the string less than 2. Although 0 is actually less than 1 and less than 2. But in this kind of situation, we would want to see, it's better to put the conditions in order, all right, so that you could get something. Okay, let's say that, okay, we have that 0, so we've been told that, okay, our number is less than 2. Okay, but we're not exactly sure. Okay, it's less than 2 now. Can we say that our number is 1, or can we say that our number is 0, or even less? So it helps us give more, how do I put this now, more precision to our code. Yeah, when we put things in order, when we put our conditions in the right order, we give more precision to our code, and it's also more correct, right? Although we can say that logically 0 is less than 1, it's also less than 2, but we want more precision. And saying that is less than 1 is better than saying it's less than 2, all right? So I hope that makes sense. So our challenge here says we should change the order of logic in the function so that it will return the correct statement in all cases. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. Okay, looking at this code now, we have 7 as our argument. And obviously, it's going to return. Okay, let's go through it one line, line after line, line upon line. It's going to check the first condition. Okay, is 7 less than 10? That is quite true. And then it returns less than 10. And that is true, okay? But in some cases, it's it's okay, let's say that we have something like 2. Yeah, 2. Yeah, I think I should be, testing it as I'm saying it. All right, I should be testing it as I'm saying it. So less than 10. So we have 2 now. 2 is less than 10. Yeah, it's 2. It's less than 10. But it's also less than 5. So we would want it to tell us it's less than 5, not less than 10, because less than 10 is a broad range, okay? It's a very broad range. Let's say you're trying to separate age groups. You want to say, okay, if this child is less than 5, if this child is less than 10, you want them to you want to make certain things available to them. This code is gonna be it's gonna cause a lot of confusion, right? In such a situation. That's why it's very important to have your if statement in the right order. So I hope that with these few words of mine, I've been able to convince you that in as much as 2 is less than 10 and is also less than 5, we still need things to be in the right order. Okay, all right. So the simple thing here to do is just to replace 10 with 5 and replace 5 with 10. So now it's going to tell us less than. It's going to tell us less than. Okay, okay, less than 5. I should also replace this, please. Okay, yeah, I had to also replace the return statement. So less than 5. That is better. We know that. Okay, this person is less than 5 years old, so we don't want him or her doing certain things, all right? Okay, let's go ahead and run the test, and yeah, perfect. Oh, it says one for the Guinness Book. What have we done to deserve this honor? All right, thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something. I hope that you also, drop a comment. You've been watching this for a while now, and you've not dropped one comment. It's not the best thing. It's not the best thing to do. So drop a comment, even if you have nothing to say. Just say hello. My name is. Then write your name, right? If you've not liked this video, go ahead and like it. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. If you have a friend that you need to um, talk to about this channel, go ahead and share the link to him or her. Yeah, so that'll be all. See you in my next video. Bye.